Hi, I'm Dr. Ernie Ward, and today I'll be sharing with you the top 10 ways to make your patients hate you. Number 10, use shut up and bad dog as legitimate commands. Number 9, demonstrate the Omega roll on all your cats and dogs. The 8th way to make your patients hate you, use alcohol thermometers. It only takes a couple of minutes. Who's counting? Number 7, adopt the mantra that a little pain helps keep patients still after surgery. Number 6, require dogs and cats to board next to each other. Number 5, wear strong perfume. After all, dogs love patchouli. Number 4 way to make your patients hate you, use 20-gauge needles because they take less time to inject. Number 3, don't return their leash or teddy bear when you discharge them. Number 2, keep your clinic smelly, noisy, and disorganized, because we know animals love that. And the number 1 way to make your patients hate you, don't obtain enough blood. Then draw it again and again, as many times as you need.